Alright, hey everybody, just want to explain to you the seating chart that we will be having in biology class. It is something that I love. It makes it really easy to take attendance, and I appreciate that you have a partner that you can kind of work with and bounce ideas off of. So we usually change the seating chart every 2 weeks, so you'll be getting a new one when I get back from Scotland. So I want to orient yourself so you have an idea of where you're supposed to be sitting. Okay, this right here. These individuals, they're in the front row. Okay, they're in the front of the classroom. Okay, so this is my front row. So Kyle, front seat, and then you work your way across. These individuals, these are the students that are going to be right next to the door. So Caden, you are my light switch man. So that'll be your seat right when you walk in, right by the door, right by the light switch. Okay, and then Cody will be your partner. And then these guys, you're just sitting in front of them. All right? So Caden, Kendall, and Callie, you guys are closest to the wall. Okay? And then here's my back row people. So you got the very, very, very back row. You got the very, very, very front row. All right? These people are closest to the door, and these people are closest to the lab. So you guys are over by the lab area. Okay? This is where I've got my groups of tables that are in threes. And so we'll put 2 of you, and then 3, and then 2. Okay. So this is your seating chart. Like I said, front row, back row, closest to the door to leave. So Caden, you're by the light switch. And these individuals, you guys are over in the lab. Now, if you've got a problem with where you're sitting, really the only way that I would have the subs switch you in your spots is if you can't see. If that's a problem, then they can kind of move you up. But for the most part, this will be your seating chart. This is where you'll come in and sit for the next couple weeks. All right. Good luck getting to your spots.